This is the WebEx Events attendee join process. When you've been invited to a WebEx event, you will receive the invitation in your email box. When you open the invitation, it will read, "The sender has invited you to a WebEx event." If the event requires registration, a link will be provided that will direct you to the registration landing page. On this page, if you click the register button, you will then be able to enter your name and email address to register you for the event. Upon entering all of the required information and clicking register, you will receive a message that tells you your registration has been approved, and you will receive an email with the actual event link and instructions on how to log in. If we go back to our email box, we'll find another email stating our registration had been approved for the event, and there will be a link to join the event. After clicking join, the next window will have you download and install the WebEx application, and in some cases will automatically begin the download. However, you do not have to use the WebEx application to join the event. You can join the event from your browser just by clicking join from browser here, and it will open a new browser window and join the meeting from there. The next window asks you to enter the information you used to register for the event. You'll enter your name and email address and the CAPTCHA characters presented in green. You must enter the email that you used to register for the event, or you will be redirected to register for the event again. I repeat, the same email you used to register for the event initially, you must use here, or you will be redirected to register for the event again. After entering the appropriate information, click the Join as a Guest button, and you will be brought into the meeting where you will be asked to allow WebEx to use your microphone. Click the Allow button, and then click the Join Event button, and you will be inside of the event as an attendee. Depending on the settings the host chose, you will have the ability to see all of the panelists and yourself as an attendee. You will have the ability to see and interact with the chat feature, as well as Q&A. These features can be turned off by the meeting or event host, and when they are, they will not be visible to you as an attendee. You may or may not have the ability to unmute yourself. If you do, the drop-down arrow next to the mute unmute button gives you options on setting up your microphone input and your speaker output for WebEx. If the event host has enabled closed captioning, click the text box with CC in it in the lower left-hand corner of your screen next to the little blue icon to see the closed captions being scrolled across the bottom of your screen. This has been joining a WebEx event as an attendee. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.